Hello everyone, I'm Bhumika Mohan, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem related to isometric projections. The problem is the frustum of a square pyramid of sides 40 mm, top face 20 mm, and height 60 mm rests on the center of the top of a square block of size 60 mm and height 20 mm. The base edges of the pyramid are parallel to the top edges of the square block. Draw the isometric projections of the combination of solids. First, we have to take the line tool of thickness 0.25 mm and draw a reference line. Next, since the question says the frustum of a square pyramid rests on the center of the top of a square block, we have to draw the square block of side 60 mm and height 20 mm. For this, we have to take the line tool and thickness of 0.50 mm, draw a line of measurement 60 mm and taking the angle 30 degrees. Now we complete the square block by taking another line of measurement 60 mm and 150-degree angle. Next, taking similar lines and using move tool, we complete the square block. And since the question says square block of height 20 mm, we have to draw the height 20 mm first using line tool and thickness 0.50 mm. Using move tool, we can draw similar lines and complete the square block. Now that we have completed the square block, we should draw the frustum of a square. Let's draw the frustum of a square pyramid separately with sides 40 mm, top face 20 mm and height 60 mm. Taking line tool and thickness 0.50 mm, we are going to draw a line of 40 mm and angle 30 degrees. Next, we draw another line of a measurement 40 mm and angle 150 degrees. Now we complete the frustum of a square pyramid by drawing the altitude 60 mm using the line tool and thickness 0.50 mm. 60. Now the question says top face 20 mm. So at the edge of the altitude, we draw 20 mm line with a 30-degree angle. We draw another line of similar length 20 mm and angle 150. Now using move tool, we complete the top face. Now joining the corners of the frustum of a square pyramid using a line tool of thickness 0.50 mm. We get the required frustum of a square pyramid. Now joining the opposite sides of the square block and joining the opposite sides of the pyramid, and using move tool we place the frustum we place the frustum of the square pyramid on top of the square block. Now, taking the trim tool and trimming the unwanted lines, we obtain the required uh, diagram for the question. Since the question says isometric projection, we have to change the scale of the problem. Taking the scale tool and selecting the entire problem, and taking the measurement as 0.816, we get the required scale. Now, taking angle between tool and measuring the angle between the reference line and the square block, we finished the problem by taking the isometric projections. We have obtained the required projection. So this is the required projection. Thank you.